Practice D. We need to graph this two-variable equation, and the first step is to figure out what kind of graph it is. And if you analyze this closely, you'll see that it's an ellipse whose center is not at the origin. And the reason I know that is it looks just like the general form for an ellipse of that type. Let me put the general form up. See, we've got x minus a number squared on top, and then a number squared on bottom, and then that's added to another fraction where you have y minus a number squared on top, and then a whole number squared on bottom, and then the right side is equal to 1. So this is an ellipse with center not at the origin, and then to graph it, the first thing we need to do is find what the center of the ellipse is. And then you remember how this works. The center has coordinates of hk. H is the x coordinate of the center, and k is the y coordinate. So the center of this ellipse is the point 2, 2. And then now we're going to use these numbers 2 and 4 here in the bottom of the fractions to find several points on the ellipse, and then we can connect those points and finish the graph. Let me switch to another sheet and I'll put the graph up, and then I'll explain how we actually get those points. See, here's the center of the ellipse. It's at the point 2, 2, and then here's how we get the points. We go to the denominator of the fraction that has the x in it right here, and then that denominator is 2 squared, and so we go 2 places to the right from 2, 2, from the center to the point 4, 2, and then we go 2 places to the left to the point 0, 2, and both of those points are on the ellipse. See, whatever is in the bottom of the x fraction, the fraction with an x in it, tells you how far to go left and right from the center. This is a 2, so we go 2 places to the left and to the right. And then now we're going to go up and down. We go over to the fraction with the y in it, and it has in its denominator 4 squared, and that tells us to go up 4 places from 2, 2 all the way up to 2, 6, and down 4 places to 2, negative 2. And those 2 points are also on the ellipse. And so with those 1, 2, 3, 4 points, with those 4 points, we connect those with a smooth curve, and that finishes the ellipse. And this is the answer to practice D.